Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. The other day I did a video about distress fonts and I used bark of a tree. Well, this time I just typed in distress photo and I got that one right there. I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to copy image. I'm going to go into Corel and I'm going to right click and paste it. Now, this one I've already manipulated, so we're going to take the original. We're going to go to bitmaps and mode and convert it to a grayscale. Then you can go to effects and adjust in tone curve. And then you could play around with this and get it darker or lighter, whatever you kind of want. I kind of like it darker. Say okay. And then you need to go to bitmaps mode and turn it into black and white, and you can see the difference. Because this way it's just now it's two colors. So I'm going to take my text. I'm not going to do anything to it. I do need it in front of the page. I'm going to go to range order front of page. This thing is 5 inches, so I'm going to make my, well, 8's good. I'm going to select it all, and I'm going to intersect it. And when I do that, I get this. Now, what I can do now, and I can also take this, move this over. I can take away the fill and take an outline. And now I have an outline around my font or my text. But then if you take this and click on like any part of that and then make it blue, and then this is what it's going to look like if you print it on like a dark blue shirt or even a black shirt, order back a page. And then because I've nudged and not moved anything, I can put my outline there. It might need to go to the front of the page, arrange, order. Nope, it's already on the front of the page. But let's take our outline and we got it right here. You can see it and we can make it, well, I'll tell you what, let's go to turn it into a curve. And when I do that now, I can make it, whoa, 10 points, too much, 4 points and have an outline around it. And I think just yesterday I made a video on how you could actually put the distress look into your outline. That's a pretty cool look. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.